and welcome one more time to Design by Riveras. My name is Luis Rivera and today with me, Dilandia. Before we start,
don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.
And go and you can visit all our social media,
Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and our YouTube channels.
Everything down #Design by Riveras. And remember, we have our secondary channel,
Los Riveras.
Make sure to set up the foundation of your eye primer and the way you see here. If you can use these next two tools is the best way. Try to use a fluffy brush and then set up with a sponge on all your lid and the eye. Once you set up the eye primer, then make sure you come with the color you like for base, which can be off-white. I prefer to use some kind of bone color and avoid to have whatever kind of glitter or shine at this moment. You have only a matte setup color for the beginning and the first step. Moving to the first transition color on the tone of red, you can see here what I did is without start blending, is only applying in the form I want the shape of the eye. Be completely sure to use one brush a little smaller of the size you can use for blend, and that way you will have enough space to you can still grow that color with the blending action.
now we have this PUR palette with these beautiful colors. Most of the color are in the shine and the glitter effect. And look, here you can see these brushes I am using here. They are silicone based and is amazing for use on this kind of work with this kind of texture. When you have some kind of glitter or metallic, oh, this is amazing because make your work more easy. But one thing very important is try to make sure you move left, right, up and down in all the direction you can use it. Here you see how I start blending, and the work is very easy to blend with these brushes with the metallic shadow. And this is the PUR foundation, and I move on again and to the Alexis Stone Revolution palette, if I am not wrong, is what you showed there. And we move to the darker tone of the red, which is a little more like a red wine for the bottom shadow, but make sure don't bring that color all the way to the waterline. Still keep in the outside liner and the bottom shadow, and we move to clean the excess of the drop shadow we have in the previous step. And we start moving on to the skin part, because right now what I'm going to do, I don't like to work most of the time my darker products like liner, shadow, liner, liquid liner or pencils and mascara before I complete the skin. I like to leave that for the end. Then I keep the deep colors on the makeup at the final setup look, and especially for the picture. Okay, then for primer, you can see I use this beautiful silicone base primer for a skin primer, and this one is the only I am showing here because I like how the Tarte the milk look. And we are using Tarte foundation concealer primer. You know, this is a basic routine, but remember, all time for people with a little lines under the eyes or very thin expression line, try to avoid to apply too much, and especially with this product or whatever product with this kind of texture, because then you can over create that creases. Okay, and maybe you only have a small, then you will create more. Then try to avoid and create very small amount. You can need only apply in this area and a little in this area, and that will be more than enough. And you can see here, then I did the foundation almost completely. And again, I will tell you, if you want to see the full production and the full step-by-step of the foundation, you can go to the next video in the top here. I think I up the hand too much. I raised the hand too much. You only need to go on the top and you will see other video where we create step-by-step only skin products for foundation. Now what I did it is I create this like medium wing line with ink glow, because I want a more clean and detailed eye makeup, but still I want the deep action one liner create when you have a wing in your eyes. Okay, and remember, all time, if you want to create this deep and open eye, try to make sure you connect the line, the top line with the bottom liner, to you can create this beautiful action, and you lift in that way the eye. Next, you can see I am cleaning the exit corner, the outside corner of the eye, only to create more this clean and deep eye. But you will see once I apply the eyelashes, this clean will come a little more inside and more natural and start blending at the end. For blush, I use what normal people don't use, is you can use your shadows to like a blush. And this, I don't want one blush too strong. And then what I decide is I combine 3 of the tone of this morph palette, and you will see it right now. And the colors I select is 3 different like a bronze tones, to create a more natural look on the skin, because if the eyes are very pop and strong, then I want something more subtle. And I will done this look giving a beautiful matte red lips, and I am using this Revlon pencil long wear liner for lips. And with that, I only will fill it up with matte. The best one for me is 2, and a specific one is the Stila Rouge and the MAC. I love these 2 tones on red, and I think so it's the more similar to this one. But this I have available and I like a lot the tone they have, then why not? Let's go to use it and bring it. Now, be careful. Remember what I tell you all the time, where you are doing your makeup and especially your skin, try to use your setting products in between. Don't let this only for the end or don't end only on the beginning. Try to apply maybe 2 or 3 layers in between, and that will help you to your skin absorb better the product, and the mix will stay exactly how you done. Okay, and for the last, I use this beautiful highlighter from Juvia's place, which is new. I received the last week. I love it, how they look, and like I mentioned before, I try to apply a little more the action of the eye. I want to be lift, and for more important, I want to be open. Create these two actions at the same time. Sometimes can be harder because you are using blacks, but at the same time what you need to do is avoid to bring the liner and dark colors to the inside waterline of your eyes. Then what you see in the makeup on Delandia right now, I am not use, and most of her makeup I don't use waterline liner. I never bring the dark of the color to the inside of the eye because I want to keep that area lighter and open. Then check that, and this is the final part of this look. Thank you everybody to be in this video one more time for this last time of the year. This is the end of the year, and what a year. It's unbelievable all the thing we learn. I don't know if together, but at least if you are in this video, thank you to come to see my channel, and thank you to be part of our family. Delandia, Fabio, and me, we are so thankful to you support our channel, no matter what is the way, if you is only watching, if it's following us, and if it's supporting us in the way you can do it. Thank you one more time to help us to grow this channel. It's slowly, but we are doing. You can see how this production of video is going better and better every time. Times are hard. We are fighting to keep on and to be doing a better content for you, and we hope you are enjoying everything we are doing. And remember, here we are doing everything possible to only bring with you and share our talent, our best of our family and our community, and hope see you next year. Remember, send us your comments, whatever you think about this video, and if you recreate this video and this look, send us a pictures, a comment, and let us know what do you want to see for 2020. And good luck to everybody. Happy New Year. Have a fun night tonight, and have an amazing 2021. And here you can see our final look. is more than what I was expecting, and I love how the eyes look, and especially that lips are gorgeous. That color is one of my favorite colors to apply in somebody, and especially in occasion for holidays. And now, please remember, before you go, is our last video, then give us that small gift we are asking to you, and remember to
subscribe, share, and like, and visit us in our secondary channel completely in Spanish, Los Riveras.